coming tonight. And we want to thank Construction Appliance Otco for hosting our event. And
You're welcome.
All right. And then our host for the evening is Chef Justin from Tavern Kitchen and Bar, which is just outstanding. So I'm going to hand it over, and it's all yours.
Okay. How's everybody doing?
Good.
Potato crusted grouper.
This has been a fabulous cooking school, and we wanted to be sure to invite you to the next one. And Melissa's going to tell you a little bit about that, when and the wheres on that. But Chef, this has been outstanding. Thank you.
Very good.